Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Digital Avant. In today's video, we're going to talk about a bug in the Samsung Galaxy S10. We've tested this phone in the past 2 weeks since the beginning of March, and as you can expect it, this 2019 flagship is really a beast in almost every aspect compared to last year's model. However, if you make up your mind to switching to the Galaxy S10, beware, think twice after you watch this video carefully. Because we find a bug on the Samsung Galaxy S10 camera. If you like taking photos, that's really annoying. Before this video, I gotta tell you the model we have is the G9730. We bought this phone in Hong Kong. Without further ado, let's check out the front camera sample. As you can see that, these photos shot by the telephoto lenses are completely blurry and also underexposed. We repeat the same shots with Galaxy Note 8. I bet you can tell the difference. We suspect this has something to do with the autofocus algorithm as well as the light meter of the camera. We've tested the standard wide-angle lenses and the ultra-wide-angle lenses from the same spot, and they seem working good. And then we switch back to the telephoto lenses. Same things happen again, blurry and a little bit overexposed. Come on, Samsung! To make sure this is not a single case, we've tried different scenes to double check the camera. Again, looks like the camera we have doesn't play well with this kind of normal low light shots. This time, things getting even worse. The standard wide-angle lenses and the telephoto lenses suffers the same blurry, not even mention any details. Looks like the camera was short-sighted. This is nowhere acceptable when it comes to a $1,000 flagship smartphone. Let's check out another image. Again, the camera on S10 always has difficulty in this situation, whereas the 1.5-year-old Galaxy Note 8 performs well. I'm not here blaming Samsung, but if you ask me paying $1,000 right now for such kind of quality completeness, I'll definitely say no. I'm expecting a smartphone with point-and-shoot camera at this price range that can easily give me clear and useful photo. Is there any way I can do to make this camera work again? We relaunch the camera app, it doesn't work. Then we reboot the phone, relaunch the camera app, this time it works. But you're not expecting to reboot the phone every time you take a shot, right? This kind of situations happens from time to time. Who knows when it comes again? Yeah, some of you may mention that this is somewhere software bug and it could be fixed after software update. But this is kind of stupid mistake that coming along the official release version. Dear Samsung, you should consider their customers will never update their phone during the whole life cycle. We hope Samsung take this camera issue seriously, find out the root cause, give out fixed solution as soon as possible. For those of you already own the S10, hope your device doing okay. Otherwise, make sure to check the device with the dealer. For those of you planning to switch to S10, wait at the moment. Yeah, this is nearly a perfect phone in nearly every aspect, but the camera issue really draws it back. Wait for the fixed solution from Samsung. Also, at that time, there may be more choices in the market, and I think it is a better time for you to make the buy decision. That being said, what do you guys think about the way Samsung handles the explosion of Galaxy Note 7? Is it going to be another explosion of the Samsung Galaxy? Let's wait and see. Leave your comments below. Let us know if your S10 suffers the same issue. Subscribe our channel, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next time.